Today we will learn a new story from your English Marigold book. Chapter 4, Unit 2, I Want. Page number 29. This is a story of a monkey who had many wishes in his life. Let's listen and enjoy the story. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the tree. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop! His neck grows long, just like the giraffe. Little monkey is happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. Want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want strips like those, he says. Wheeze! Little monkey has strips all over his body, just like zebra. He is very happy, very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looked down. He sees himself in the water. Mother, he cries, help! A monster! That is not a monster, says his mother. That is you. His mother says, you want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and strips like a zebra. Don't you remember? Little monkey cries and cries. I look awful, he says. I want to be myself again. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. He throws the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. Now children, let's know the summary. This is the story of a monkey who wants to become strong. One wise woman came to know about this. She gave one magic stick to the monkey to fulfill all his wishes. First of all, he wants to become a giraffe. Then, he wants to become an elephant. And at last, he wants to become a zebra. All his wishes were granted. At last, when he comes along the river, he finds himself looking so scary. He felt so bad after watching his face. He told his mother that he was happy being himself. Then he wished to become monkey again. His wish was granted and he became monkey again. At last he threw away his magic stick into the river. Now children, let's know some words and their meaning. Strong, powerful. Wand, a long thick stick. Visage, want to do something. Trunk, a long nose of an elephant. Monster, an ugly looking creature. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. Children, revise it.